Hi, Mark here over at National Home Warranty again. I got asked a question about our plumbing maintenance annual tune-up plan that we have available here at National. And I was asking what we're going to check in the home. And so one of the things they asked me was if we were going to be, what we would be doing in the kitchen area of the home as far as checking. So one of the things that we do is whenever we come into the home, after we're done with some of the other parts of the inspection, we're going to go ahead and take a look at it in the kitchen. See how many fixtures you have. Some kitchens have just one sink, some have two or three. We're going to go ahead and fill, if you have one or three sinks, whatever it is, we're going to fill those sinks up and we're going to let them drain. And then what that's going to do is that we're going to check up underneath the sink to make sure that there's no leaks when there's that much water pressure going down the drain all at once. We're also going to check your garbage disposal. We'll kick that on. Make sure that it sounds right, that there's just nothing that's dislodged in it. Make sure that it's in good working order. We'll check all the drain piping up underneath of it, including the basket strainers, to make sure that they are nothing's leaking in that area. We'll check the shut-off valves as well. So there's what's called emergency stops underneath the sink for each fixture. So we're going to check those, make sure that they are able to turn on and off. We'll check the water supply tubes as well that go up to the faucet. And then we're also going to check your faucet out to make sure that it's in working order. So we'll operate it both hot and cold. Make sure if there's any issues that it has with it, whether that be calcium buildup or whether that just be it's not shutting off properly or dripping. We'll make some suggestions to you as far as how to repair that. And then we'll just do a once over of the sink. We'll take a look at it, make sure that the caulking looks good around it, and the seal where it's attached to the countertop looks good. It's not loose in any area, and we'll go from there.